Most people think eggs are the gold standard for protein, but that's not true. There's one powerful source that builds muscle after 70 even faster, and almost no one's talking about it. Stay with me because the last part could change the way you age forever. The unsung hero, humble lentils. When we think about powerhouse proteins for building muscle, our minds often drift to images of sizzling steaks, grilled chicken, or a morning scramble of eggs. Plant-based options are frequently overlooked, dismissed as not being potent enough to truly make a difference in our strength, especially as we get older. However, lentils are here to shatter that misconception. For a remarkably low cost, a single cooked cup of these unassuming legumes delivers a solid 18 grams of high-quality protein, but their benefits extend far beyond that initial number. What truly makes lentils a champion for mature muscles is the incredible nutritional package they come wrapped in. A standout feature of lentils is their exceptional fiber content. That one cup provides an impressive 16 grams of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in what researchers call the gut-muscle axis. This fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system, which in turn produce a powerful compound called butyrate. Butyrate has been shown to reduce inflammation within the muscles, enhance your body's response to insulin, and significantly improve how efficiently your body can utilize the protein you consume. In fact, studies have demonstrated that a thriving gut microbiome can boost muscle protein synthesis by as much as 30%. This connection helps explain why in the world's blue zones, regions where people remain incredibly strong and active deep into their 90s, lentils and other legumes are not just a side dish, but a daily dietary cornerstone. They also contain a special type of carbohydrate known as resistant starch, which acts similarly to fiber, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, keep you feeling full and satisfied, and even boost the thermic effect of your meal, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. Furthermore, lentils are a veritable treasure trove of essential micronutrients that are vital for muscle health in older adults. They are brimming with folate. A single serving can meet about 90% of your daily needs. This is particularly important because nearly 1/3 of seniors are deficient in folate, a shortfall that can slow down the very creation of protein at a cellular level. Correcting this deficiency has been shown to increase strength in as little as 2 weeks, with a noticeable gain in muscle mass of around 5% after just 3 months. They also offer a significant amount of iron, which is crucial for producing myoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen directly to your muscle tissues, helping you stay active and energetic. The potassium content in lentils, which is even higher than that of a banana, helps prevent muscle cramps and keeps your muscles functioning optimally. When you add in the powerful anti-inflammatory polyphenols found in all varieties, but especially in black beluga lentils, you begin to see why this humble food is a true heavyweight in the quest for lasting strength and vitality. Nature's perfect formula, hemp seeds. Many people over the age of 70 hold the firm belief that meat and eggs are non-negotiable for maintaining muscle mass. However, the tiny but mighty hemp seed offers a compelling plant-based alternative that proves this isn't the whole story. With just 3 tablespoons, costing less than a cup of coffee, you get a full 10 grams of complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. But what truly sets hemp protein apart is its unique structure. A significant portion of its protein is in the form of edestine, a type of protein that is remarkably similar to the one found in human blood plasma. Because of this similarity, your body recognizes and absorbs it with incredible ease, requiring minimal digestive effort. It's as if your muscles are welcoming a nutrient they have known and trusted for a lifetime. The exceptional qualities of hemp seeds don't stop with protein. Their fat profile is where they truly shine for aging bodies. They possess an almost perfect balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, hovering around a 3.1 ratio. This ratio is considered ideal for naturally reducing the chronic, low-grade inflammation that so often contributes to muscle breakdown and joint pain as we age. In contrast, many common foods in the Western diet have ratios that can be as high as 21, which can inadvertently fuel the inflammatory processes our bodies are already trying to combat. Hemp seeds also contain a rare and beneficial fat called gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which the body converts into a compound that directly soothes muscle inflammation. Studies have indicated that GLA can reduce post-exercise soreness in seniors by up to 40%, allowing for quicker and more comfortable recovery from physical activity. Additionally, hemp seeds are a rich source of arginine, an amino acid that plays a vital role in circulation. Arginine helps to relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for a more efficient delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients to your hard-working muscle fibers. This is particularly beneficial after 70, when circulation naturally tends to slow down, making recovery a longer process. Arginine also plays a role in stimulating the release of growth hormone, a key player in muscle repair and regeneration. This natural boost can make a significant difference in how your muscles recover and grow stronger. To top it off, hemp seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral in which over 80% of older adults are deficient. Magnesium is essential for preventing muscle cramps, fighting weakness, and activating the vitamin D that is so crucial for muscle strength. Sprinkling these nutty, versatile seeds on your oatmeal, yogurt, or salad is a simple, no-cook way to give your muscles a familiar, powerful, and deeply nourishing boost. The cellular repairman, wild salmon. While many protein sources can provide the basic building blocks for muscle, wild salmon offers a unique and profound advantage: the ability to repair and rejuvenate your muscles from the inside out, right down to the cellular level. A standard serving provides about 22 grams of high-quality protein, but the true enchantment lies within its remarkable omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. Think of these healthy fats as a lubricating oil for the inner workings of your aging muscle fibers. As we journey through the years, chronic inflammation can act like rust, slowly but surely corroding our muscle tissue and diminishing its strength and function. While other proteins can supply the materials for rebuilding, they often lack the ability to extinguish this slow-burning inflammatory fire. Omega-3s, however, are nature's anti-inflammatory champions. The impact of these fatty acids is not just theoretical, it's backed by compelling scientific research. A study from the University of Washington found that older adults who consumed an amount of omega-3s equivalent to eating wild salmon 3 times per week gained an impressive 6% more muscle mass, and they did so without adding any extra exercise or other protein sources to their routine. What's even more fascinating is that their muscles became significantly more sensitive and responsive to all types of protein they consumed. This increased efficiency occurs because omega-3s literally weave themselves into the membranes of muscle cells, making them more fluid, flexible, and better able to receive growth signals. At the same time, they actively switch on a key pathway known as mTOR, the master regulator of muscle protein synthesis, while simultaneously turning down the volume on inflammatory molecules. Wild salmon also provides a nutrient that is almost completely absent in eggs: vitamin D. Beyond its well-known role in bone health, vitamin D is now understood to be a direct activator of protein-building activities within the muscle cells themselves. Research has consistently shown that simply correcting a vitamin D deficiency in seniors can lead to an increase in muscle strength by as much as 20%. The beautiful, vibrant, pinkish-red hue of wild salmon is also a clue to another of its hidden powers. This color comes from a potent antioxidant called astaxanthin, which has been shown to be up to 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C at neutralizing damaging free radicals. Astaxanthin specifically protects the mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside every one of our cells, leading to improved endurance and reduced fatigue. For the greatest benefit, always opt for wild-caught varieties, which have higher levels of these beneficial nutrients. Gentle cooking methods like baking or steaming will help preserve the delicate omega-3s, ensuring your muscles get the maximum cellular repair and rejuvenation this incredible fish has to offer. The fast-acting builder, whey protein. If you're looking for a way to accelerate muscle growth even well into your later years, whey protein is an undisputed champion. Its effectiveness is so remarkable that it can help someone in their 90s build muscle more rapidly than a 60-year-old relying solely on traditional food sources like eggs. This isn't just an anecdotal claim, it's supported by rigorous scientific inquiry. Researchers at McMaster University conducted a study comparing the muscle building effects of whey protein versus eggs in individuals over the age of 75. The results were so profound and unexpected that they repeated the experiment 2 more times just to confirm their findings. Consistently, the group consuming whey protein built twice as much lean muscle mass as the egg group, even though they were consuming the same total amount of protein. The secret to whey's superior performance lies in its speed of absorption. When we're young, our muscles remain in a receptive, protein-absorbing state for several hours following a meal. However, after the age of 70, this anabolic window shrinks dramatically. To effectively trigger muscle growth in an older body, you need a rapid surge of amino acids delivered to the bloodstream. Whey protein accomplishes this in about an hour, flooding the muscles with the necessary building blocks precisely when they are most receptive. Eggs, on the other hand, digest much more slowly, taking 3 to 4 hours to fully break down. By that time, for an older individual, the prime opportunity for muscle synthesis has already passed. The undisputed star player within whey protein is an amino acid called leucine, which acts as the primary on switch for muscle protein synthesis. A typical serving of eggs provides about 1.3 grams of leucine. A single scoop and a half of whey, however, can deliver up to 2.5 grams. This is a critical difference because, after age 70, your muscles require a higher threshold of leucine, close to 3 grams in one sitting, to be jolted out of a resting state and into a mode of active growth. Beyond leucine, whey is also rich in other branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, which provide direct energy to your muscles and help protect them from breaking down during physical activity. Whey even offers benefits that extend to gut health, containing natural immunoglobulins that can help soothe hidden inflammation in the digestive tract, which often impairs nutrient absorption in seniors. For those sensitive to dairy, whey isolate is an excellent choice as it has nearly all the lactose removed. It's more than just a supplement. It's like flipping a switch that reactivates the growth potential within aging muscles, powerfully demonstrating that it's never too late to get stronger. The overnight guardian, cottage cheese. While whey protein acts like a rapid response team, quickly delivering amino acids to ignite muscle growth, cottage cheese works on an entirely different timeline, playing the role of a steady, overnight guardian. One of the hidden challenges of aging is that during our nightly sleep, our bodies can enter a catabolic state, breaking down muscle tissue to use for energy. This process is accelerated in older adults, contributing to a gradual loss of strength and muscle mass over time. This is where the unique properties of cottage cheese become invaluable. It is predominantly made up of casein, a very special type of protein that digests at a slow and gradual pace. When casein reaches your stomach, it forms a gel-like consistency, which results in a slow, sustained release of amino acids into your bloodstream over a period of 6 to 8 hours. This effectively provides your muscles with a continuous trickle of fuel throughout the entire night. Researchers in the Netherlands conducted a fascinating study where they had seniors consume cottage cheese before going to bed. They discovered that this simple nighttime snack allowed their bodies to continue building new muscle protein all through the night, effectively flipping an anti-muscle loss switch while they were resting. This prevents the nightly muscle breakdown and instead transforms sleep into a productive period of repair and regeneration. Beyond its protein prowess, casein contains compounds that can subtly lower blood pressure and even promote a deeper, more restorative sleep. Better sleep quality leads to a greater release of natural growth hormone, which is the body's primary signal for repair and rebuilding. It creates a powerful positive feedback loop. The right protein encourages better rest, and better rest leads to stronger, healthier muscles. Nutritionally, cottage cheese is also a powerhouse, rich in selenium, a mineral linked to fighting fatigue, calcium, which is crucial for both bone density and proper muscle contractions, and vitamin B12, essential for utilizing protein effectively. Its soft texture makes it incredibly easy to eat and digest, making it a perfect no-cook option. Enjoying a small bowl before bed, perhaps mixed with a few walnuts for extra healthy fats, can be a simple yet profoundly effective strategy to ensure you wake up feeling not weaker but stronger, more energized, and ready for the day ahead. The plant-based powerhouse, seitan, Prepare to meet a plant-based protein that defies all expectations and stands toe-to-toe with some of the most protein-dense animal foods available. Seitan, affectionately known as wheat meat, is a remarkable food made from vital wheat gluten, the main protein found in wheat. It is a true giant in the world of protein, with a modest 100-gram serving providing a massive 39 grams of protein. This incredible density places it in the same league as some of the richest cuts of beef, but with a crucial difference. Seitan delivers this muscle-building power without the heavy baggage that can sometimes accompany animal products. With seitan, you get pure protein without the saturated fats and none of the potential inflammatory effects that can be associated with red meat consumption. What makes seitan particularly beneficial for individuals over 60 is its exceptional digestibility. The process of creating seitan involves washing away the starch and fiber from wheat flour, leaving behind a highly concentrated protein that the body can break down and absorb with remarkable speed and efficiency. This is a significant advantage, as our digestive systems naturally become less robust with age, and our ability to extract nutrients from food can become more challenging. Scientific evidence supports its effectiveness as well. A 2022 study published in the journal Clinical Nutritionist Spen revealed that seniors who incorporated plant-based proteins like seitan into their diets preserved 21% more lean muscle mass than those who followed a more traditional mixed diet. This demonstrates that seitan isn't just a satisfying meal, it is a direct and potent supporter of muscle maintenance as we age. Seitan's versatility in the kitchen is another of its great strengths. Its firm, chewy, and satisfyingly dense texture makes it a far more substantial alternative to tofu or tempeh. You can slice it and toss it into a vibrant stir-fry, sear it in a pan with garlic and olive oil until golden, grill it into smoky, savory strips, or marinate and roast it to create a hearty and flavorful centerpiece for any meal. To further enhance its nutritional benefits, try pairing it with foods that are rich in vitamin C, such as bell peppers, broccoli, or kale. The iron found in plant-based sources like seitan is absorbed much more effectively by the body when vitamin C is present, turning this already powerful food into an even greater ally for supporting your energy levels and overall muscle health. Seitan proves that you don't need to rely on animal products to fuel your strength and vitality.